Welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Brian Heron. If you don't like and subscribe and comment down below, you're gonna be poor forever. Okay, I'm just kidding. I've had dozens of investments, several dozens of investments if you want to count all the stocks and mutual funds and all the other stuff that I invest in, companies and businesses. The biggest thing I love to invest in is real estate. Here's the reason why I love real estate, is because it's a hard asset, it's a tangible asset that I could actually physically touch, see, go to, and it spits off these little coupons all the time. These little, what do they call it? Fun coupons in that one movie. What does he call it?
What I call them? Fun coupons.
These little fun coupons that help supplement my life and help me to be able to do things like produce these videos and give me free time to do other things, take my family on nice vacations. So here's what I do, is I still work a 9 to 5. I got a corporate type level job. Won't go into details of what that is yet. I obviously invest in real estate. I own companies. I invest in other companies. I invest in the stock market, several $1,000s a month as a matter of fact. So I like dividend payments. So I'm a big investor in general. I invest in a lot of different things, but what I love to do is I love to take my proceeds after living a very meek, humble life and invest those proceeds into real estate, those hard, tangible assets that continue to spit off those, what are they, fun coupons.
A fun coupon.
Those money coupons that, you know, make my life bigger. Because I'm going to tell you why is when these things are done, if I get fired, if I invest into a stock and it goes belly up and I lose all my money and I have to file bankruptcy on the business, that's gone. It's not producing any more of those fun coupons that we were just talking about. No more fun coupons. If I invest into somebody else's business and that goes belly up, no more fun coupons. But guess what? If my renter leaves or they trash my apartment, I still own the asset. And that asset in history will tell you continues to go up. And then I could do the repairs with those fun coupons that I made from everything else and get another renter in there to continue to produce more of those fun coupons, right? So that's why I love real estate, is in 5, 10, 15, 20 years of investing into real estate, you're gonna continuously grow your portfolio, and that portfolio is gonna continue to spill out money month after month after month after month, and the only way that that could go belly up is, golly, I can't even think of any. If real estate ever just goes completely belly up, we're gonna probably belly up as a country. So there'd be a bigger problem than our real estate portfolio. Any other investments, stocks, businesses, other people's businesses, any other type of investment, whether you're investing into a person, another person's business, into a stock, into your own business, can disappear, and then when it's gone, it is gone. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Until next time, I am Brian Heron. Don't